Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn on bot fight mode in Cloudflare. To get started, open your web browser and go to your Cloudflare account homepage. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the main dashboard where your websites or domains are listed. This is the central place where you manage settings for each site connected to Cloudflare, so it's the right starting point for making security changes like this one. From the account homepage, click on the sample domain you want to manage. Selecting the correct domain is important because bot fight mode is enabled on a per-site basis. In other words, you'll need to turn it on individually for the website where you want this protection to apply. After the domain opens, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Security. This section contains the tools and options related to protecting your site from suspicious traffic, threats, and unwanted behavior. If you're not already familiar with the layout, the left menu is where most major configuration categories are organized, so this is a useful area to remember for future security updates. Once you're in the security section, click on Settings. This will take you to the page where Cloudflare groups together several security-related controls. Since bot fight mode is part of your site's protection settings, this is where you'll find the option to enable it. Now scroll down through the settings page until you find bot fight mode. Take your time here, especially if the page contains multiple options and security features. Bot fight mode is designed to help detect and mitigate automated bot traffic, which can be useful for reducing malicious or unwanted requests to your site. When you locate bot fight mode, click the toggle button to turn it on. After you switch it on, Cloudflare will begin applying this feature to help protect your site from harmful bot activity. If the toggle changes state successfully, that usually confirms the feature has been enabled. And that's it. You've successfully turned on bot fight mode in Cloudflare. As a final tip, after enabling a security feature like this, it's a good idea to briefly review your site behavior in the dashboard over time to make sure everything is working as expected. This can help you confirm that the protection is active and that your site continues to perform normally. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you enable bot fight mode quickly and confidently.